has been testing Oreo for the Galaxy S8 in a public beta form since November, and it was scheduled to end it on January 15th, so we expected to see the update go live by the end of last month to no avail. At the time, the Korean tech giant said that it will start distributing the official Oreo update to beta users a day before the start of the general rollout, as a means of appreciation, so to speak. Well, that day may have been yesterday, as many Galaxy S8 Oreo beta users are reporting to us that their phones are finally getting the official update, and publications from Europe are chiming in with screenshots from Dutch and German beta users, too. The update is complete with the Samsung Experience 9.0 interface, its newest UI version that is likely to be on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus out of the box as well, plus the February security patch. Long story short, if you have taken part in the S8 Oreo beta, hit your update buttons, while the rollout should be hitting the general S8 and S8 Plus public any day now, with US carrier versions soon to follow.